Hello.
That one's mine.
That one? It's beautiful.
And then the one next to it is my husband's.
That one?
Yeah.
That one's beautiful too. Oh wow. Can't see. Nice. 72 Chevy C10. 65 C10. 64 C20.
I know our community enjoyed being able to see your cars. Thank you for adding to our event and making it a great success. I'd also like to express our gratitude to the judges who helped us to our best in show selection. Bob Horney, Jared Salgado, Brian Chapman, and Lawrence, who I'm sure the judges had a tough time narrowing it down to three best in show winners. So let's begin the awards presentation with our choice awards.
Scared the shit out of me. I hit the curb feeler on that car and it scared me.
Pristine condition, superb paint and interior. Jeff, come up on stage.
This is straight pimping right here. It's got all the accessories. Get that side luggage rack. Nice swamp cooler on the side. Pop out windows, skirts. Suicide doors. Little Pistola in the front. Chucky in the back. Get that windshield wiper fluid container. That's straight pimping right here. Beautiful. Toyota MR2 rear motor. Clean custom cab Ford. 67. '71 Corvette. Hard tops that come off. Willys Overland Jeep truck and a 34 Ford 3-window coupe. Never forget, I like that. Clean GTO. Look at all the room under that hood. Super clean. '89 Mustang, 1965 Mustang. Damn. '71 Chevy Chevelle. 383 stroker with a blower.
Come on. Come on. Hurry up. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. No questions. Come on. Come on.
What you do now, Bob?
We out of this. What you do now? Don't worry about what I done did. Come on. I'm not. We gotta go. We gotta go right now. We gotta go right now.
They would have had phones back then, boy. They would have had me.
Most definitely.
1930 Olds F30.
That's a nice car. You need to put all your stuff to that. Yeah, you and your son have your stories.
72 Lincoln Mark IV, I think. Lincoln Continental. Supra. I love these. '50 Chevy 3100. You?
Yep.
Nice, man.
Thank you.
Skirts and all. Beautiful.
What year is this car? 50. This got me it's 59. Oh yeah?
'66 Chevy C10 pickup. 1960 Ford Falcon. Is it 3 on the tree or 4 on the tree? 3 on the tree. Oh, straight woody.
You know, I see that car all the time. That was my favorite. Shark? On the side stop? You see that? Right there? I see them right there.
Battery's going dead. Gonna try to get as many cars as I can. Got some bombs rolling over there, some Pinto bombs. Nice Impala convertible. Hey, shout out to Stacy, the Dune Buggy Girl. Check it out. Nice Mustang. Another Mustang, Boss 302. Look at that SS. Oh, that Mustang is bad. Badass. respect for how they treated that flag and took care not to let it touch the ground.